Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried to upload or email a PDF file, only to realize it's way too big, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to reduce your PDF file size using Canva, even if you're brand new to using Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create and save compact, easy-to-share PDFs without sacrificing quality. Let's get started right away. First things first, go ahead and open up Canva. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up for free. It's quick and painless. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar Canva dashboard where all your design magic begins. Now, click on that Create button. This is your starting point for any new design in Canva, and you'll see a whole bunch of format options pop up. For this example, we'll select Presentation. Presentations are a great choice, not just for slideshows, but for all sorts of multi-page documents you might want to save as a PDF, like proposals or reports. Once you've selected Presentation, you'll get to choose from Canva's huge library of templates. Go ahead and pick one that you like or that fits your project. Don't worry too much about perfection here. This is just a sample so you can see the process. Just click on a template and it'll load right up for you. Now you can customize it by adding your own text, images, or branding if you want. But for now, let's move straight to downloading your design as a PDF. Here where the file size magic happens. Up in the top right corner, look for the Share button. Give that a click and a menu will pop up with a few different options for sharing and downloading your design. Select the Download option from this menu. When you see the file type list, choose PDF Standard. This is crucial. PDF Standard files are compressed by default, which makes them much smaller compared to the PDF Print option that one's much higher quality but can balloon your file size. PDF Standard is perfect for emailing, uploading to websites, or just saving space. Before you hit that final download button, take a look at two important settings. Flatten PDF and Include Notes. Make sure both Flatten PDF and Include Notes are unchecked. If Flatten PDF is checked, Canva combines all the text and images into one single layer, which can sometimes actually make the file bigger rather than smaller, and you'll lose the ability for people to select text in your PDF. Meanwhile, unchecking Include Notes ensures that any presenter notes or extra slides you didn't intend to share don't sneak into your final file. Keeping both of these unchecked usually gives you the smallest, most versatile PDF possible. Alright, that's really all there is to it. Once you've confirmed those settings, go ahead and click Download. Canva will process your design and save it as a tidy, compressed PDF file onto your device. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your project, this part might take a few moments, so don't worry if you see a loading bar. And that's it, you've just reduced your PDF file size in Canva. Super easy, right? Now your files will upload faster, email with ease, and take up way less storage space. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or got stuck anywhere. I love helping out and hearing your success stories. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, useful Canva tips and full step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.